Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to rotate an image in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. I'll rotate this image. First you select this edit option. Now select an edit object and select image. Now click on this image and click right button, and here you will find this rotate option. You can rotate it clockwise, see this. Also you can rotate it counterclockwise. Again select right button and rotate. You can rotate it more custom degree and put it 45 and see this. Again I'll rotate it minus 45 and see this, and this is rotation option. You can rotate it custom way and see this way you can rotate. Yeah, this is. And finally save this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.